What does the future hold for robotics and technology? Is there a chance we'll soon be rubbing shoulders with robots in our everyday lives? Well, the answer is not just a possibility, it's a reality. Meet the UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S, a groundbreaking innovation that redefines the boundaries of technology. The UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S is a marvel of robotics engineering. Imagine a humanoid robot that can be a part of your family, a companion, a helper, and more. This remarkable machine stands tall at just over 4.5 feet, with a sleek design that wouldn't look out of place in a sci-fi movie. Now let's dive into the specifics. The UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a high-resolution camera, LiDAR and depth sensors, all of which allow it to perceive and understand the world around it. The robot can recognize faces, objects, and even map its environment in real time. It doesn't just see the world, it interprets it, making it an intelligent companion in any setting. But a robot isn't just about seeing, it's about doing. The UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S boasts a pair of highly flexible arms, each with 7 degrees of freedom. These arms can perform a wide range of tasks, from the simple act of picking up objects to more complex tasks like cooking or cleaning. It's like having an extra pair of hands around the house. The real beauty, however, lies in its ability to interact. The UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S doesn't just respond to commands, it initiates conversation. It can understand and respond to natural language, turning it into a conversational partner rather than a mere tool. The UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S is also capable of self-navigation. With its advanced sensors and algorithms, it can navigate around obstacles and find its way around your home or office with ease. It can even follow you around, always ready to lend a helping hand. But what about safety, you might ask? Rest assured, the UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S has been designed with safety at its core. It's equipped with collision detection and avoidance systems, ensuring it won't bump into objects or people. In conclusion, the UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S represents a significant leap forward in robotics. With its advanced vision and perception capabilities, flexible arms, conversational abilities and self-navigation, this humanoid robot is more than just a machine. It's a companion, a helper, and a testament to the limitless potential of technology. This is not just the future of robotics, this is the present, and it's only the beginning. The UBTECH Humanoid Robot Walker S is here, and it's ready to redefine our lives. The future is now, and it's exciting.